So that beat down yesterday was no surprise. A nice bounce at 3 though. Hopefully it keeps going today. And they don't try to bring it down again. I mean, they probably will. I mean, that beat down in the morning thing is just like a no-brainer almost. I mean, this is like perfect setup for day traders. You know, they broke it down first thing in the morning. You buy, they run it up, then it comes back down, and once it goes below that VWAP, you know, any of the day traders, they'll start selling off and probably go short on top of that. So then you get these bigger shorts just pounding it down just that much more, and then the end of the day it starts coming back up, and retail shorts are, you know, covering, and it's like clockwork. You get a 20-cent swing, 18-cent swing, that's a nice trade, you know, depending on the volume that you're buying. But if this holds, my thinking is if this holds 3 on a short week, because we got Thanksgiving and then half a day Friday, if this holds 3, you're going to see an explosive week next week. And these shorts are pretty covered. We got to stay within this. You got to stay within this range here, and I think shorts will cover. So if they can push this back up, if buyers can push this back up, get above this 326. This is like 277, but it bounced right at, I think it was right at 3, eh? Here. So, I mean, they didn't even get it back down to this 277. So it'd be nice to at least hold 3. Although sometimes, now that I'm just thinking about it, I'm going through some of the back scenarios that I've seen when I was day trading, is sometimes these short weeks, it backfires. You know, they're trying to push it down, and it's all like options thing, you know, they run it up like this, sell a bunch of calls, and then being a short week, you know, people are buying calls, they don't realize that it's such a short week, so then they just hammer it down, you know, on that short day on Friday. Get whatever calls and puts out of the money that they can, just like a normal week, but it gives them a little bit of an advantage. But the same thing with if institutions or market makers decide to run it up. You can run it up and get options in the money, and in the short week, the shorts don't have enough time to come up with all their manipulative ways to drive it down. So it'll be interesting to see what happens. I'll be happy if this stays above 3 on Friday. And you don't get this great big pounding it down thing down to 250, you know. Once they knocked it down yesterday, I was expecting to drive it down the rest of the day. So the bounce was nice to see. It's definitely positive. So let's see what happens the rest of the week. Market's closed tomorrow. So I'll do another video after today. Probably not till like Friday morning or something. So we'll see you in the next video.